Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make quiche with ready-made pastry. First, unroll your chosen ready-made short crust pastry and carefully fit it into a 9-inch tart pan. Trim any excess pastry from the edges. Next, line the pastry with parchment paper and fill it with baking beans or pie weights. Blind bake the shell in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This step ensures a crisp, golden crust for your delicious quiche. Now, let's prepare the rich and creamy filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream until well combined. Season this mixture generously with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for added depth of flavor. Then, stir in your pre-cooked ingredients like shredded Gruyere cheese, diced ham, or sautéed spinach and onions. With your pastry shell ready and filling prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the egg and filling mixture into the blind-baked pastry shell, ensuring an even distribution of ingredients. Place the quiche back into the oven, still at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. The quiche is done when the top is golden brown and the center is mostly set with a slight, gentle wobble. Once your quiche is beautifully golden and cooked through, remove it from the oven. It's essential to let it cool on a wire rack for at least 15 to 20 minutes before attempting to slice it. This cooling time allows the custard filling to fully set, preventing it from collapsing when cut. Enjoy your homemade quiche warm or at room temperature, perhaps alongside a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.